Hi, this is Charlie Oldendorp with the Oldendorp Group, and welcome to 3 Croydon Road in Morris Township. As you approach this lovely home, you feel you are climbing the summit to get away to your personal sanctuary. This large center hall colonial has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and rests on over a half an acre at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac. The kitchen opens up to the family room, which overlooks a secluded park-like backyard with adjacent green acres. Also on the first floor is a gracious living room, dining room, office, and laundry room. Upstairs there are 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, the spacious master suite with tray ceiling, a great walk-in closet, and ensuite bathroom. If you are looking for a spacious, sun-filled home in a picturesque neighborhood that is just minutes to shopping, restaurants, trains, and schools, this is the home for you. For more information, please reach out to the Oldendorp Group.